Good morning, welcome to Goodwill. In this video presentation we will see how we can trade in MCX nickel market today. Before looking into that, let us see what happened yesterday and what we expected yesterday. The chart you're seeing is 7-minute candlestick chart, and this candlestick indicates yesterday's price opening, which shows that the market opened just near 1000. We expected the price to stay in selling, maintaining 1012 as resistance and 1015 or 16 as stop. Right after the opening, the price came down a bit, and continuously it's tried to move near 10,012, and from there it started dropping towards 983 and closed near 983.9. So we had some sort of buying, but finally we had a good selling like what we expected. What we can do today? Today it's expected to open somewhere near 988 and 990. You can expect a bit of higher opening compared to the previous day's closing. So it's going to be a tough zone for nickel traders, since we know that the price is dropping from 1032 and the trend is down. The only question is from where we will start drilling and where we will fix the stop loss. We feel that today you can wait for the price to give a bounce back towards 1000 levels, then go for selling by placing stop loss near 10,022. We want to have a very big stop loss zone. If you are not comfortable with a range of 20 point SL, you can split your position so that it will be comfortable for you. Why we want to do that? Because we feel that there are chances that the price will go and test or enter into the 1000 levels. If there is any sort of profit booking, it will induce some buying, but still we expect that the price will continue its downtrend. So the next target zone is 982, and if the trend continues, 977.6. So let us see what's going to happen during the trading session, and thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading, take care, bye.